Most people think that if they just earned 20% more, all their problems would disappear. But here's the truth: the system is designed to keep you exactly where you are. It's called the middle class trap. You work harder to earn more, only to pay more in taxes and inflation. You're running faster, but the wheel isn't moving. The wealthy don't play by these rules. They don't save for a rainy day. They invest for a sunny future. Today, I'm showing you the exact blueprint to stop being a pawn and start being a player. In 2026, the single tax and the cost of living are higher than ever. If your money is just sitting in a bank account, it's not safe. It's dying, every single day. Step 1 isn't about picking the next viral crypto. It's about understanding asset allocation. I'm going to break down how to build a portfolio that pays you while you sleep. The trap is invisible, but the exit is real. It starts with one decision. Stop trading your time for money and start trading your money for assets. Whether it's $50 or $5,000, the 1% blueprint works because it's based on math, not luck. You don't need to be a millionaire to start. But you need to start to be a millionaire. If you're ready to break the wheel, subscribe and join me on this journey. I'm Barb, and this is where your new financial life begins. See you in the next lesson.